Okay, as autumn rolls in and the weather shifts, you may begin to notice a change in your skin. Cooler temps can take a toll. New research reveals 1 in 3 Aussies with dry skin blames seasonal changes.
Yeah, and for those with conditions like eczema, the drop in temperature can make things even trickier. So what can be done before a major flare-up? For more, we're joined by dermatologist Dr. Shammi Theesan. Great to have you with us. So why does our skin change as the autumn sets in?
When autumn sets in, humidity levels decrease, the air is drier, is crisper, so we've got that environmental change, but our habits also change. We perhaps have the indoor heating on, we've got extra doonas or blankets. All this changes your barrier function of your skin. So if you've got that genetic tendency, so now you've got an added environmental and indoor change together with pollen exposure, mold spore exposure. So in autumn, think about all the leaves that are falling. They decay and produce increased levels of mold spores, which will then aggravate that sensitive immune system.
Okay, what if you're an eczema sufferer? How can you prevent a flare-up?
One of my most important tips would be to watch how you moisturize your skin. So I would be looking for key ingredients like ceramides and glycerin in your moisturizer, but perhaps not washing your skin every day. So maybe alternate day showers or just washing your smelly bits, as I say. Get a humidifier at home so you've got adequate moisture levels at night when you're sleeping, and make sure you're using sunscreen. We all get tempted to not be as diligent with our sunscreen in autumn because it's cloudy, but the UV is still there. So all those basic topical measures make a big difference.
Okay, good advice. What about dry skin generally? Are there products that work best?
Yes, so the tip with dry skin is to make sure you put these moisturizers with key actives like glycerin, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, when your skin is slightly damp. That's one of the best things you can do for your skin, because when you've got dry skin, you really don't have that permeability to your skin membrane. So add a little bit of water, or after a shower, come out, pat dry, you've got that little bit of moisture on, then apply your moisturizing cream.
Okay.
Just out of the shower, just after you've washed your smelly bits, maybe.
Yes.
Like you said. Yep, okay.
Just watch what you're moisturising.
Yeah. Okay. So then you just don't put too much moisturiser on, or do you go to a heavier moisturiser in winter?
So you could do it 2 ways. You could use your normal moisturiser that's slightly lightweight and then put one that's more occlusive on top, or you could just go for a heavier moisturiser, or you could start with an oil on top of your hydrating moisturiser. So there are a few different ways you can do it, but I would actually use a moisturiser that soaks into your skin properly and then use an oil or an occlusive moisturiser on top. That way you're trapping your natural moisturising factor, but you're also stopping that evaporation out of your skin.
Okay, Dr. Shammi, some great advice there. Thank you so much. Sounds like now is the time to get started. Appreciate your time.
Yes.